Good morning, everybody. It's Diane Doyle in Plant-Based Dallas, and I am getting ready to use my Instapot to cook some golden potatoes. But I wanted to make good use of my time, so I'm also going to cook several other items along with it. I checked my chart for 10 minutes. I wanted to see what else cooked at 10 minutes, and I can go with new potatoes, black-eyed peas, and lentils. I'm going to cook all those today, because they all cook for about 10 minutes. So let me show you what I've got here. First of all, I've got the black-eyed peas in there. I rinsed them and then I've covered them with ample water just to make sure that we have enough to absorb. And I never measure, I just make sure I have about 3 to 1 because I'm gonna drain the liquid anyway and rinse them afterwards. Okay, so I've got a trivet down here so that the potatoes don't have to sit exactly in the water completely. And then I'm going to put my potatoes here. And then the last thing I have is my lentils. Again, you can see I've got plenty of water in there. And I'm just going to set these lentils right on top of the potatoes and try and anchor them somewhat. I got a big one here I need to move, so it's a little bit flat. There we go. Okay, so then we're gonna take this over to the Instapot. Whoops. Get my squash out of there. And put the 3 different ingredients in here. Again, 10 minutes, so we're gonna hit manual button, move it up to 10. And then we wait for our 3 beeps to tell us that it is working. Be sure to put it on sealing. And there we go. It has started. We will check back with you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back here and we're gonna open up the Instapot. Remember, we had 3 things cooking at one time. And let's see how it looks. We've got our lentils right there. Again, if there wasn't enough water in it, whoop, that's a little bit hot. If there wasn't enough water in it, and it looked dry, I would just add more water and let it sit for a little bit longer. So here's our lentils. And then there's our potatoes, and you can see the black-eyed peas are underneath there. Let me get a spoon and get a few of those out so y'all can see that. Woo! They're hot. But see, you got your black-eyed peas, and you can spice these any way you want, but we cooked 3 things in just 10 minutes time. We'll add to that the pressure up and pressure down. So if y'all are interested in these magnets, they're great. They'll make great Christmas presents. Check out plantbaseddallas.com, and you can order a set. And if you can order 3 or 4 sets together, you can save on shipping. So you can split the shipping cost with somebody. Alrighty, y'all have a great day, and load up that Instapot. Again, we have 2 different magnets. We have the one that's alpha by ingredient, which just you look up your ingredient and then figure out how much time you need. And then the other one is the companion cooking time. Alrighty, y'all have a great day and stay plant strong. Bye-bye.